How to unlock new characters or modes. Want a new perspective? This guide shows you how to unlock new characters or modes in Darkest Days. New characters are unlocked by collecting character shards. You can earn these through season pass or by completing hero missions. Once you have enough shards, you can recruit the new survivor from the roster menu. New game modes like the PvP arena are locked behind level requirements. Keep playing the main story until you hit the required level. Most special modes like Horde Defense unlock between level 15 and level 20. Check the challenge terminal in a settlement. These hard mode versions of story missions unlock after you beat the main campaign chapters. They offer the best rewards and test your character's true strength. Unlock them and dominate the wasteland. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days guides.